One of my very close friends moved from a village about 14-15 years ago. Family of 4, only 100 rupees in his pocket. No capital, no safety net. But he had something more valuable, trust. He convinced a few friends to join his Tiffin service and took advance payment for 3 months. The landlord allowed him to start operations and promised to collect rent later. The family worked day and night. Within months, the maze became popular. This is a true story, by the way. Was he profitable from day one? Did he have revenue? Did he have cash? Or was he just surviving? What happened when he took advance payment? He received cash, but had he earned it yet? No, he still had to cook meals for next 3 months. That advance cash he accepted was revenue to be realized in the future. This is called deferred revenue. Deferred revenue is equal to cash received today for the services to be delivered in the future. It is cash in bank but not earned yet. So it is recorded as a liability. Why liability? Because he owes food. Investors, this is where it gets interesting. Deferred revenue tells us customers are paying upfront. That means trust. Business has pricing power. People are willing to commit in advance. Strong future visibility. Revenue is already locked in. This is exactly how many SaaS companies operate. When companies pay for Azure subscriptions, Office 365 annual plans, Microsoft receives cash upfront, but it recognizes revenue monthly. That large deferred revenue balance tells investors future revenue is already contracted. This reduces uncertainty. Strong deferred revenue growth usually means subscription model strength, high renewal rates, predictable cash flows, and business durability. But caution, not all deferred revenue is good. If customer churn is high, service quality drops, refund risk increases, deferred revenue can reverse. Deferred revenue is not just an accounting entry, it is a customer commitment. It tells you whether customers trust the business enough to pay before consuming the services. And if you want to see how this plays out in a real company, I recently broke down Duolingo's financials, where deferred revenue is growing fast and reveals a lot about their subscription model. You might find that interesting as well. Consider subscribing to the channel because we are trying to build a community of thoughtful investors who want to truly understand businesses.